you only need one indicator to make money on binary options in as little as 10 minutes. Using my personal example, I will explain step by step what it takes to make the right trade. Everything is simplified to the point of insanity. So after watching the video, each of you will be able to repeat everything the same. This strategy will not take you a lot of time because it only takes 1 minute to see the result of your decision. First of all, let's go to the TradingView platform. This is the largest platform for analyzing charts. Here you will need to either register or log to your account. If you are on this platform for the first time, it is quite possible that you will not have the currency pairs that we need to be added. To add them, we go to the plus section. Here we must have the Forex section selected. So our task is to add those currency pairs that have a code provider FXCM. So now let's add an indicator with the help of which we will make money today. Go to the indicators section and search for Nadara Watson and add this indicator from LuxAlgo. That's not all. We need to customize this indicator. Go to indicator settings and set the settings as I have. Now let's see how to make money with this indicator. So first of all, we need to find the moment when the price moves in a sudden accumulation or a sudden sidewall. Our task is to see those moments when the price really bounced from these boundaries, because this indicator represents a certain range within which the price moves. And our task is to open trades when the price approaches the boundaries of this range. So if the price approaches the upper boundary, we open a trade down. And if the price approaches the lower boundary, we open a trade up. In addition to these boundaries, we also have buy and sell signals. If we see a buy signal, it is a good confirming factor for opening a trade up. If we see a sell signal, it is a good signal to open a trade down. Of course, when opening positions, we will take into account the confirming factors, which I will tell you during trading as we are moving to it. So I see a situation to enter a position. Let's see what we see on the chart. First of all, the chart, I see that we have a sudden accumulation. We do not have a sudden trend. So here, as a confirming factor, I see this level and I see that this price has come to the lower boundary of our indicator. And I also saw the signal go up. These factors are enough for me to open a trade up. So we go to the broker and open a position on the upside. While this trade is in progress, I would like to tell you something important regarding the choice of currency pair. The fact is that on TradingView, we only broadcast classic currency pairs without the OTC mark. That is why you should always choose currency pairs without OTC when opening positions. To open positions, as I said earlier, you need confirming factors. In fact, the presence of at least one confirming factor is already good. However, you should realize that the more confirming factors you find on the chart, the better. The confirming factors can be various levels or candlestick patterns. Just the most confident upward movement happened and my trade closed in plus. Great results. Let's look for the next situation. So I found a situation to enter the trade. Let's see what we see here. In the situation, I see that the price has broken the upper boundary of our indicator. I expect that a downward movement for the reason that we have a certain level of resistance from which there have been at least two reactions. These reactions tell me that this level is strong and I expect a pullback here. So we go to the broker and open a down trade. So while this trade is underway, I would like to invite you to join my Telegram channel. There I share valuable signals and analytics that will help you make even more informed trading decisions without spending more time analyzing charts. Don't miss the opportunity to get up-to-date recommendations and be aware of all market events. The link is in the description. So we had a good downward movement and my trade closes in plus. My balance is already $272. A great result. Let's move on. So I found a situation to enter the position. Let's see what we see here. So in this situation, I see the price approaching the lower boundary of our indicator. From here, I expect a pullback movement because here I see a small, relatively strong trend line. From this level, there are certain reactions that confirms its strength. So let's go to the broker and open a trade on the upside. By the way, while I was looking for the currency pair, here we have a doji candle formed. It is a candlestick with a big shadow on the bottom and a small body on the top. It indicates buyer dominance at this point. And let's talk about the order of actions when working with this strategy. First, you should see the price approach to the upper or lower boundary of the indicator. Secondly, you should see at least one confirming factor on the chart in the form of levels or candlesticks. And after that, you can open a position observing the risk management. So a strong upward movement has taken place. Excellent result. My trade closed in plus. As you can see, thanks to this strategy, I was able to increase my balance more than 5 times in just a few trades. Just imagine what would happen if you are trading with me right now. That's it. We have considered a simple strategy with binary options with one indicator, which can become your reliable trading assistant. Do not forget that success depends on your discipline and patience. Put what you have seen into practice, analyze your results, and improve every day. This concludes this video. Thanks everyone for watching and bye-bye.